Hi everyone, welcome to Teacher's Magic Touch. So today we are going to prepare two types of unique idli recipes. So let's begin. So here we are preparing Idli Chaat. To prepare the Idli Chaat, let us chop the idlis like this. We have taken 1.5 cup of curd into the sieve. Add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of black salt, and then strain it to give a smooth texture. In a separate pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 spoon of jeera or cumin seeds. When it starts to splitter, add chana dal and urad dal 1 teaspoon each. Add a pinch of asafoetida, some curry leaves and chopped green chilies and fry all of it for few seconds. Now add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt as per the taste, and stir it for few seconds. After that, we'll add the chopped idlis into it and fry them till all the spices are well coated with the spices and fried well on medium flame. Turn off the flame. Now put the fried idlis in a serving bowl and pour the prepared curd. Sprinkle some roasted cumin seeds powder, some black salt, put some tamarind chutney and green chutney, chopped onions, tomatoes, and garnish it with some sev or bhujia. And finally, top them with some pomegranate. And here it's ready to go. So here we are preparing Idli 65. To prepare the Idli 65, in a pan heat up 2 tablespoons of oil and add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic and 2 teaspoons of chilies chopped and fry them for few seconds. Now add chopped onion, chopped capsicum, some cabbage, and fry them on high flame for a few seconds. Now add 2 teaspoons of green chili paste, 2 spoons of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of red chili paste, 1 spoon of dark soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and fry all of it for few seconds. Now add the chopped idlis and fry them till all the sauce is coated well to the idlis and simmer the flame. In a separate bowl, take 2 teaspoons of corn flour, to which add salt and pepper powder as per the taste. Now pour half cup of water and little red food color, which is optional. Give good mix. Pour the prepared slurry into the pan and fry the idlis for few more seconds. Now garnish with some raw veggies of your choice and serve it hot.